4 million to 10 million, all 5 of these homes have something unique that sets them apart. From handcrafted marble to skyline terraces, they all have their own unique story to tell. In this episode, we're gonna check it out. My name is Chris Jordan. I'm a luxury real estate agent here in New York City, and this is episode 5 of my top 5 favorite listings on the market right now. Let's go. Number 5, we're gonna kick the tour off in Brooklyn. Now, I think it's safe to say we can all stop saying Brooklyn is evolving because Brooklyn has evolved. And slowly but surely, we're gonna start introducing Brooklyn homes into this series. So it's no better way to start it off than 72 stories in the sky with amazing views. Let's check it out. This is a south-facing 2-bedroom, 2-bath home that has ceilings that reach up to 11 feet. So right away, it's gonna feel open, it's gonna feel airy. But let's start with the kitchen. You've got absolute black stone countertop, or you rub bronze fixtures by Waterworks and a full suite of high-end, fully integrated Miele appliances. Now, let's take a look at the living space. The living room have expansive floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the room with natural light, framing these incredible views of Brooklyn and the New York Harbor. From the kitchen to the living room, this space was made to entertain. But let's check out the secondary bathroom. The secondary bathroom keeps that luxury going with the bronze fixtures and a clean modern design. Then, adjacent to the secondary bathroom, we have the secondary bedroom. The secondary bedroom have those same floor-to-ceiling windows that pull in light and give you another angle of the views. I think this room is perfect for a child's room, a guest room, home office, whatever fits your lifestyle. Now, let's check out the primary suite. Onto the primary suite, starting with the primary bedroom. In the primary bedroom, the light and privacy works together perfectly. It's private but still connected to the home. And of course, as we came accustomed to in this apartment, you have awesome views, so you have privacy, you have light. But let's talk about my favorite part of the apartment, this primary bathroom. In the primary bathroom, you have large format home Breccia Capria marble, making a true statement. Every slab has its own natural pattern and irregularities, so no two are alike. It's rich, it's textured, and it makes the space feel like a one-of-a-kind luxury experience. So we have 2 beds, 2 baths in downtown Brooklyn for $1.995 million. As always, you guys let me know what you think about this one. I'll see you on the next one. And number 4, if you watch any of my other episodes, you know that I don't only like to show what's on the market, I like to show things that come off the market. Because there's no better way to know the market than to know what just came off. So we're gonna take a trip, fresh off our Upper East Side neighborhood guide. We right back in the Upper East Side. We in Lenox Hill, looking at a home that just came off the market for $4.2 million. As we step in, we're immediately drawn straight ahead. You have these clean lines, tall ceilings, and you have this natural light that pulls in towards the living space. The kitchen has a warm modern feel. You have the Sarouste oak cabinetry, Mont Blanc quartzite, and a full Miele setup. I think it feels elevated without doing too much. Now, from here, you're looking straight out over the Upper East Side. You have these midtown skyline views. The space is wrapped in floor-to-ceiling glass, so that light really pours in. I believe it's the perfect blend between a quiet residential feel, but you have the city right there. As we make our way down the hall, we're going to come up on the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom keeps the same level of detail as the rest of the home. You have this custom vanity, stone finishes, and soft lighting. Adjacent to the guest bathroom, we have one of the secondary bedrooms. This secondary bedroom is styled as a home office, but of course you could style it the way you see fit. Now, to the primary suite on the eastern side of the home. You have this walk-in closet. I think this is very functional. You can style it the way you like. Then you have a primary bathroom. The primary bathroom is all about calm. You have the honed marble, radiant heated floors, and soft lighting. Then we make our way to the star of the home. A west-facing private balcony. Imagine watching the sunset over here. Beautiful views. It's peaceful, unexpected, and it gives the space a completely different feel, in my opinion, right off the primary suite. Before we finish the tour, let's go back near the entry off the foyer. There's another full bedroom. It has its own en-suite bath, perfect for guests. I think you could use this room as a quiet office, a guest room. It keeps the layout balanced and private. But we have 3 beds, 3 baths for $4.2 million and a forever evolving Lenox Hill. Just came off the market. You guys let me know what you think about this one. And number 3, We're taking a trip to everybody's favorite. We're taking a trip to the West Village. And if you watch my West Village neighborhood guide, you know how strict landmark rules are in the West Village. So with that being said, finding a loft is very, very difficult. But one thing about life is that nothing's impossible, everything is probable. And we found a loft in the West Village. Let's check it out. This apartment really stood out to me because it does a great job of mixing authentic pre-war charm with sleek and modern. It's the best of both worlds in one space. Let's check it out. Just off the hallway, you have this generous walk-in closet. You've got space for coats, bags, shoes, whatever you need. But let's make our way into the secondary bedroom. The secondary bedroom is super flexible. You have a layout that could work for guests, kids, or even a creative space. Then you have this sleeping loft up top. Right next to this bedroom, we also have the secondary bathroom. Then next to the secondary bathroom, you have this built-in office tucked away into the hallway with custom shelving and a sleek workstation. Behind these doors, you have a hidden storage room. This hidden storage room is super rare to me because you don't have to keep it a storage room. You can change it into whatever you need, and I think that's super flexible. But let's check out the primary suite. First up in the primary suite is the en-suite bath. In the en-suite bath, you start to get that modern feel. You have a deep soaking tub. You have a steam shower. Then over here we have this double vanity with LED lighting. I just think this bathroom have a solid mix of comfort and design. Now we make our way into the primary bedroom. Again, I think this primary bedroom give you that pre-war charm with the sleek and modern feel. You have the exposed brick over here that give you that classic downtown New York City character. Then you have these wide plank hardwood floors that you'll see throughout the home. Everything is just so intentional in my opinion. But let's make our way to the heart of the home. This 40-foot large great room, a sculptural marble-clad wood burning fireplace anchors this space. Then you have custom millwork, integrated sound, gallery-style walls. It's all done with intention, but still feels super livable and easy to enjoy. And then you have this open chef's kitchen. It's sleek, refined, and fully loaded with Miele appliances. You have a bold marble island here and a beautiful tailored cabinetry. This unit is in the West Village for $3.995 million. I really enjoyed this one. It was unique. You guys let me know what you think. Before we finish this episode, let me interrupt for just one moment and say, if you think about moving to New York City, or you live in New York City and you think about buying, I have a buyer's guide that's always in my bio to have all the necessary information you may need for your move. Now, if I didn't answer any particular questions, you can always shoot me an email and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. But let's get back to the episode. Now, I probably didn't get my usual 8 hours of sleep. I may got 7. I probably lost an hour because I really had a hard time deciding what would be 2 this week and what would be 1. Because 1 could be 2, 2 could be 1. But at number 2, we're back in the Upper East Side. And we got classic New York craftsmanship with New World luxury. The best of both worlds right in the Upper East Side. A full floor penthouse. I think you guys are going to like this one. Let's go. All right, so the private elevator lets you right off into the unit. And I actually feel bad for starting this off in the primary suite, but we're going to kick it off strong. We're going to start off in the primary suite. First up is the primary bathroom. The en-suite bathroom is wrapped in hand-selected Arabescato Cervaioli marble, accented by the fluted mirrored glass panels. Then you have a custom Italian vanity here with polished nickel fixtures from Waterworks Henry collection. You also have a water closet with a walk-in shower. Then you have these heated floors here. You also got a 6-foot soaking tub. I mean, come on, this bathroom literally has everything. It gets no better than this. But let's move along. We have 2 walk-in closets here. Then we have the primary bedroom itself. The primary bedroom is generous in scale. You have incredible natural light pouring through an abundance of windows. I think it's the perfect mix of bright and private. You have skyline views. You also have water views on this side. Then you have this private terrace here. You have an expansive private terrace that take in midtown skyline views. It's just a rare moment of outdoor space right in the heart of the city. But let's continue the tour. On this wing, we have bedroom 2 and 3. First up, we're going to check out the second bedroom. The second bedroom has its own perks. It also has direct access to the terrace, and it comes with its own ensuite bathroom with the clean modern finishes. I love this secondary bedroom because it doesn't feel like an afterthought. You've got terrace views, direct access to the terrace, lots of light, and a crisp modern ensuite right at your fingertips. Now, bedroom 3. In the third bedroom, just like the rest of the home, it's filled with natural light and has that open, airy feel. But this space is super flexible. You could keep it as a bedroom, turn it into a home office, or even a media room. And it got its own ensuite bathroom, and it's the same finishes that we seen in the second bathroom. So no matter how you use this room, I think you got both style and privacy, and you can just make it into whatever fits your lifestyle. But let's continue to the opposite wing. Back on the other wing, first up, you see we have a well-pointed powder room here. Then we have a private laundry room. Now, the living room brings it all together with soaring 11-foot ceilings. You have oversized casement windows and custom molding, a perfect blend of elegance and comfort. You even got a separate breakfast nook over there that opens into a terrace overlooking the East River and Queensboro Bridge. I mean, this living room has it all. Whether you're relaxing or entertaining, you can do it all in here. Great lighting, great large windows, great views. But next, let's talk about the eat-in kitchen. The eat-in kitchen has more of that hand-selected Arabescato Cervale marble with appliances that are all by Gaggenau. Then you have these upper cabinets that feature a woven metal mesh panel and beveled trim. Then we have this wine fridge here. I mean, every detail in this kitchen, not only this kitchen, but every detail in this unit was just well thought out. And before I forget, let me show you the fourth and last bedroom here. Right now, this bedroom is staged as a home office. But again, this could be a sleep-in bedroom. It has those same large windows we've seen throughout the apartment. So that bedroom is very flexible, and you can do whatever you want right across from the private laundry. This unit is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom with 3,200 square feet in the Upper East Side for $9.9 million. I really enjoyed this one, but you guys let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next one. We made it to number 1. And number one is special, and it's for a specific demographic. Number 1 is for people who want their cake and they want to eat it too. Number 1 is for people who say, I want my home to feel like the suburbs, but I still want that city energy. Number 1 is for people who want to feel like they live in the suburbs, but still have West Chelsea right outside their doorstep. And number 1 is a big reason why I love New York City real estate, because you just never know what you'll get inside some of these buildings. As soon as you walk in, you're immediately greeted right away by a powder room. Perfect for guests. One thing about this home, if you love hosting, you're going to love this one. From there, it unfolds into an expansive 24-foot great room, featuring a beautifully designed custom open kitchen. The custom kitchen have top-of-the-line appliances from Miele and Wolf with both gas and induction cooktops. You've got a full-size wine fridge, Cryon countertops with integrated sinks, sleek Kohler fixtures, and decorative tile backsplashes. And when you slide that door open, it takes you to an oversized 28 by 18 foot upper terrace, equipped with an outdoor kitchen and gas grill. Whether it's summer barbecues, crisp fall evenings, this space works all year long. Like I said, if you love hosting, you're going to love this one. But let's go upstairs. As we head upstairs, the first thing you'll see is a well-placed laundry room. Next, we have bedroom 1 and 2. Both have generous walk-in closets, and they share a sleek, modern bathroom just steps away. Now, to the next wing. On the next wing, we're going to be introduced to bedroom 3 and 4, each with its own ensuite bath. Bedroom 3 ensuite bathroom features a custom fluted frozen walnut veneered vanity with a soaking tub and a glass enclosed shower. Then you have a walk-in closet right off the bedroom, giving you space for plenty of storage. Bedroom 4 have oversized windows that keep it feeling fresh and open, and it's equipped with its own ensuite bathroom as well. And now to my favorite part of the home. Down here, first thing you'll be introduced to, again, is a powder room. And then you have a windowed 25 by 19 foot recreation space. And I call it recreation because it's totally flexible. It could be a den, a home office, a guest suite, or even a playroom. The possibilities are endless. And just outside, it opens onto the 25 by 23 foot lower level terrace. Like I said, if you love entertaining, how awesome is this? You have 2 terraces, and the great thing about it, in my opinion, is that they connect to each other. So this terrace connects right back up to the top terrace. The flow here is seamless. The layout of this home is absolutely flawless. So we have 4 beds, 3.5 baths for $8.95 million in West Chelsea. This is suburban living right in the middle of New York City. All right. We've reached the end of episode 5 of my favorite listings on the market right now. As always, if you have any questions about the market, if you think about moving to New York City or you already live in New York City, I have a buyer's guide that's always in my bio. If you have any particular questions, you can always shoot me an email. But I want to thank you guys for joining me on this episode. We're in the 4th quarter, and you know what they say, right? Days are long, years are short. So finish Q4 off strong, and I'll see you on the next episode. Thank you.